Hi everybody, it's Sarah here at the Playhouse. We've got another one of my favorite Sandra Boynton books. This is a little love song called Snuggle Puppy. Can you find your favorite snuggly animal? Maybe a teddy bear, maybe a bunny rabbit, and cuddle up. Here we go. Oh, there he is snuggling up. Well, I have a thing to tell you, and it won't take long. The way I feel about you is kind of a song. It starts with an ooh and ends with a kiss. And all along the middle, it goes something like this. You ready? It goes, ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are. I love what you do. Fuzzy little snuggle puppy, I love you. I say, ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are. I love what you do. Ooh, I love you. Now, I wanted just to tell you, and it didn't take long. The way I feel about you is a kind of a song. I started with ooh, and gave you a kiss. I hope you liked the middle. Now we'll end like this. Ooh, snuggle puppy of mine. Everything about you is especially fine. I love what you are. I love what you do. Ooh, I love you. Mwah! We love you here at the Playhouse, and we miss you very, very much. We'll see you soon. Bye, guys.